If you are interested in buying new offset rims for your car, you may have run across Supra wheel spacers. By spacing the wheels out about 24mm, 12mm spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The Supra wheel spacers are also accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to wider tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back facing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap. By increasing the track width, the contact points of the tires are inert, which results in more stability and smoothness. For most car mode lovers, these Supra wheel spacers are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get a more aggressive stance. Before installing Supra wheel spacers for your car, it is important to check that the spacers have the correct size or hub and bolt pattern for your Supra. With the correct dimensions, you can use these Supra wheel spacers without any problems. Simply put, the Supra wheel spacers are almost the same as many low offset wheels. The best part is that a set of quality Supra wheel spacers can provide a similar effect as offset wheels but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. BONOSS forged Supra wheel spacers are made of high-quality forged 6061P6 and CO75P6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and toughness are greatly enhanced. The main advantage of the BONOSS Supra wheel spacers is the lightweight plus. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of the BONOSS Supra wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared to the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.